In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down to hit Dual Messenger and tap on gray switcher next to your app you wish to clone. Then choose Install. Hit Confirm if you never cloned any app before. And if you wish to use a separate contact list, use this switcher at the top and select your contacts. If you don't, you need to go back and use OK and use your regular contacts pop-up. As you can see, after that, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use blue switcher. Then hit uninstall. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!